There really is nothing like an air-cooled Porsche 911, and for lots of people, the best of them was the last of them. This, the 993 series. They were built from 1994 to 1998, and in fact, the very last production 993 went down the line just 4 days after Ferry Porsche died. The 993 marked the biggest revamp of the original 911 platform, both in styling and engineering terms, and one of its major advances was the multi-link rear suspension that gave this car a whole new dimension in comfort, drivability and handling. The 993's 3.6 litre flat-six engine copped lightweight internals, and it makes 200 kilowatts. This manual car will do 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds, and significant in that is the first 6-speed manual gearbox fitted to a 911. And of course, that's another thing about a classic Porsche 911. The way they're built. This 1995 example's in a really nice midnight blue metallic with slate grey interior, and the upholstery is in great condition. This car's got 40 pages of service history, and that's the one secret to owning an air-cooled 911 is just maintenance. The 6-speed gearbox that came with the 993 was a godsend just for exploiting an engine that makes peak torque at 5,000 RPM. It's got plenty of torque everywhere, but they really respond well to a rev, and the ratios in this 6-speed box just really let you make the most of that. By the time of the 993, Porsche had worked out a lot of the wrinkles of the early 911's ergonomics, so this is a much nicer place to be on a day-to-day basis. Despite the performance capabilities of this 993 Carrera, it's so nice to drive. The steering is light, but with all the feel and feedback you'd expect. The clutch is light, the gearbox is just beautiful. It really is the most daily drivable 911 that there is.